talking for an hour. We just can't find the end.
That's where you're planning to go.
Understand each other.
Let's go.
I wonder how it feels to fall asleep and love the one that's next to me. I don't know why I'm stuck around with you. I've been told I should go find myself again. You're taking my soul, everything I own, poison in my head. We fall down the more we keep trying, leaving us with scars. I've been told I should go and find myself again. Been told my soul, the more we keep trying. Been told my soul, find myself again. We keep holding on for nothing. We both know we pretend we should go, but we keep trying to find a reason why we can't move on. I think we're scared to be alone. We had our times, but now I know that they are gone. Wonder how it feels to fall asleep and love the one that's next to me. I don't know why I'm stuck around with you. I've been told I should go find myself again. You're taking my soul, everything I own.
So we are done with Dabusa waterfall, and that's the amazing waterfall. Crazy place. It's a must visit with your amazing group of friends. And we had two people to help us. One is Abhishek and one is Sachin, who's there on top. Dude, it's a crazy place. Must visit. Back to our base place, and let's see where we can go. But you can see the waterfall behind. Slipping. Damn, this is super tiring. Isn't it pretty? How is it? कैसा लग रहा है?
Dead bro, dead.
Alan?
I'm cool.
All thanks to Alan for motivating us. Yeah, super damn tired, bro. Like it's a half an hour climb while coming up,
Half an hour.
and while going down it says 15 minutes. Of course, you don't realize. Abhishek.
About 25, please do not.
Yeah, and after this, especially in this lockdown, sitting home and then this, breathing. Damn, I'm so unfit for today. But yeah, finally made it. Yeah, it's tiring to climb up. This is Abhijit, Abhishek, I'm confused. क्या नाम है आपका? बोलो. अरे बोल. Abhijit, okay. So he also helped us to
He's
climb.
the most fittest guy. My goodness.
Yeah, you have good people over here. You can ask, get guides, go down, enjoy, and get tired. Whew.
Get tired, exhausted.
Exhausted.
Baapre.
That's where our car is. And back to the top where we started. Can't see because this GoPro camera can't zoom, but somewhere there down was the waterfall, and now we are back to the base place. So it's about 15 minutes walk down, but while climbing up, if you have good breathing, you can come back in 15 minutes. But if not, people like me, half an hour, 45 minutes max with your friends' motivation. And I had amazing friends. We did it.